Hello, and welcome to another tutorial in our series to help you get introduced and set up with using the Extension Helper app. In this video, we will go over how to create an account using a Gmail account or an email and password, and how to log into the Extension Helper app. When you open the Extension Helper app for the first time, the app will ask you to complete a few questions to identify what district, area, and section you work in. First, click on the District Select drop-down and scroll to find the district you work in. For this example, I'll say I work in the Long Way West. Then click OK. Next, click on the Area Select drop-down. The app will automatically filter the areas based on the district you've selected. Scroll to find the area you work in. For this example, I'll say I work in Mpingu. Then click OK. Finally, click on the section and type in the section in which you're assigned. For this example, I'll say I'm assigned to the Kendare section. Then click Proceed with Login. To register with a Gmail account, click Login with Google on the main login screen. If there are already Gmail accounts registered to the device, they will pop up. Either click on an existing Gmail account or click Add another account. If you don't have a Gmail account but would like to use this method to register, you can create a new account here. Instructions to create a Gmail account are available in the Extension Helper app box repository at the link shown here. If you do have a Gmail account, enter your Gmail address and click Next. Then enter your password and click Next. Google may prompt you with some options for your account, like linking a phone number. You can take the time to set that up now, or click Skip to proceed. There will be several terms of service agreements that will then be prompted. Please read through them all carefully and click Agree or Accept to proceed. You are now registered to use the Extension Helper app, and the app will open into your profile. One final alert will ask whether the Extension Helper app has permission to access your location. This feature allows you to tag the location of your visits. Click Allow to begin using the app. We will now go over the second method of account creation by setting up an account using an email and password. First, you should enter your first and last name in the name field. Next, enter an email address in the email field. We would like users to enter their functional email addresses, but we do not want having an email to be a barrier to using the Extension Helper app. Therefore, if you do not have an email address, you can enter any characters followed by the @ symbol and any email provider followed by .com in the email field and still proceed to register an account and use the Extension Helper app. This will be what you use to log into your account, so make sure you create a combination you can remember. Finally, enter a password for future logins. Once you've completed these steps, click Register New Account. This will take you to your profile. One final alert will ask whether the Extension Helper app has permission to access your location. This feature allows you to tag the location of your visits. Click Allow to begin using the app. Now we will go over the two methods of logging into the app. If you created your account using Google, click Login with Google and select the Gmail account used during registration. This should automatically log you into the app. If you created your account with a username and password, click on the Login with Email and enter your email and password. Then click Login. Whether you registered with a Gmail account or with an email and password, you should now be ready to start using the Extension Helper app. You can find more videos like this on the AgReach YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.